In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your TurboTax password. Whether it's tax season or you just need access to your account, not being able to log in can be frustrating. But don't worry, we're going to walk through this process step by step so you can regain access to your account efficiently. First, you'll need to navigate to the TurboTax official website. You can easily find it by typing TurboTax into your search engine or simply go to turbotax.intuit.com. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't been here recently, as it can sometimes update. Next, look for the Sign In option, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Don't click it just yet. Instead, you should see an option or a link nearby that says, "I forgot my user ID or password." This is the link you want to click. It's quite common for websites to have this option near the login section, so if you don't spot it right away, don't panic. Just keep an eye out for it. Once you click on "I forgot my user ID or password," you'll be directed to the account recovery page. Here, you'll have a few options to verify your identity. You can enter your phone number, email address, or user ID associated with your TurboTax account. It's handy to have multiple options because sometimes we might not remember exactly which piece of information we used when setting up the account. Choose the one that you have access to and are most comfortable using. After entering your information, you'll follow the prompts to verify your identity. TurboTax will typically send you a verification code via the method you selected, whether it's an email or a text message. Make sure to check your spam or junk mail folders if you don't see it in your inbox immediately. Once you have your code, return to the TurboTax site and enter it where prompted. This step is crucial for security, ensuring that only you can recover your account. After you've successfully entered the code, you'll have the opportunity to create a new password. Be sure to choose a strong, unique password that you haven't used before. A combination of letters, numbers, and symbols usually works best. And there you have it. Your password is now reset, and you should be able to log back into your TurboTax account. I hope this guide was helpful and that you're now able to access your TurboTax account without any issues. If you encountered any problems along the way, TurboTax's support team is always available for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your tax filing.